Hi, everybody. Welcome to another week of our class. Hope you're all doing well. Um, we are slowly getting things set up well for our projects. And finally, today I'm going to talk about it more, but we finally got our Unity Connect Teachers College page up. So that'll be a great place for you guys to put your projects so I can see them and you all can see each other's projects. So we're going to work on that. Then also today I wanted to go over how to set up Unity Collaborate so that for those of you who are working in groups for your final project, you can actually use this to help you guys kind of streamline your project um, working together time because it'll be super useful and it's something that is actually pretty helpful, a skill to use even outside of our class, just being able to work with other people on the same project and how to do version control stuff. It's an easier way than using GitHub, but we're going to talk about all that later. Okay. Just a reminder once again, Tuesday, 11 a.m., 12:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have my drop-in office hours on Zoom, so the link is in Canvas if you want to come talk about your project or anything else. Okay, so hopefully I'll see some of you there. All right, so let's talk real quick. Oh, I always forget to do this. Take my face out of your way. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay, there's the time and all of that stuff. Okay. Anyway, so our Unity Connect group just got verified by Unity. So what we're going to do is from now on, you're going to post your projects on there, which means that it would be great to have them in the WebGL format so we can actually play them on the Unity Connect website. This is a public facing website, so people can see what you do, which is good for your portfolio if you want to have it out there. I haven't fully explored it, so there might be a way to make projects private, I guess, if you don't want other people to see them, but that may also keep me from being able to see it, which means I wouldn't be able to grade you on your projects. So keep that in mind, but we can explore more as we go through it. Okay, here's the website, connect.unity.com, and let me bring you to it. So here's what it looks like. This background photo is just one that we've used forever, but if you're from TC, you'll recognize one of the classrooms. And let's see. Right now, only Yushin has joined, but hopefully other people will accept the invitations. I sent the invitations to your TC email addresses, so you should have them in your email since the 3rd of April. Okay, but in it, as you notice, it has the projects that you've done, and then the nice thing is, if I want to see, your project and see how you did on it, then I can just click on it, and then it will allow me to play it if I wanted to. Okay, so here's Yushin's, which she did great. All right, then so hopefully as more people start joining our group, then all of you guys will start to see your projects in here. Okay, and then again, this is how I'm going to be able to grade you, and this is how you can also start sharing your final project in the end of our class. Okay, since we won't be meeting in person. All right. And so that's that. Now, I'm talking about assignments really quick because after this, I'm going to go through Unity, Collaborate, and then that'll be it for today's lecture. Your assignments this week, Create with Code, challenge number 4 is due. So please, once you're done with that, please post it, again, in WebGL format project on the Unity Connect website so I can just play it, make sure it works from there. Okay. Your homework for next week is we're going to start lesson 5 in Create with Code. So please start working on that. I had assigned all 4, or at least most of the lessons within Unit 5 for Create with Code. If you don't get through all of them, that's okay. But the reason why I did that is because I wanted to leave at least 3 weeks in the end of the semester for you guys to work on your final projects. So that's the timing I have here. If you can't, finish all 5, all the lessons for Unit 5 next week, that's okay. You'll have, a week, probably wiggle room to work on that. Okay? But please start turning in challenge 3 and 4, because I've only gotten challenge 3 from a few people, so I need both of them. But again, I'm not penalizing you for being late, but let's turn them in before the end of the semester, please. All right. Great. So what we're going to talk about today is Unity Collaborate, which is sort of like their version of GitHub that's built into Unity and will help you guys work. If you're working in a group, please use it. If you're working on a team for your final project, and yeah, it's all integrated into Unity. So we're going to go through how to use that today. All right. So what I'm going to do is go to, what you should do anyway, open up the project that you guys are going to be collaborating on. And what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to use it for your, what is this, Unit 4 for Create with Code. It's that game one that's all about gameplay and stuff like that. So there's the ball that's trying to like knock off your ball, right? There's that kind of thing. So anyway, this is the project that I was just going to use as my demonstration for how to get Unity Collaborate started. Okay. What you should do is go up to Window on the toolbar at the top, go down to General, and click on Services. Okay. And it'll open up this Services thing right here. Before I go further on this too, actually I should show you, if you want to see the instructions for how to go through this, they have instructions for this on the Collaborate website here, unity3d.com, Unity Features Collaborate. Then if you go down, let's see, Unity Teams Basic, right? We don't need to pay for this. There's no groups that are more than 3, I believe, so you guys don't really need to do, and you're not making a huge game. But if you scroll down here, how to set up 5 minutes, 5 steps, they have the steps on how to set up Unity Collaborate, okay? Or Unity Teams Basic really is what you're sort of signing up for. Okay, so we just did this part. I'm ignoring all the cloud services part because for basic, we don't get cloud service. So, but these steps still work for most of it. It's okay, what we're doing. So open the editor, go to the services window, set up your project. So we're going to do that. And so back here, it's going to say create a Unity project ID. You should already have one if you're in Connect, I believe. Here under select organization, I have Game Research Lab as my organization. You can set this up in the profile of your Unity Connect profile. So you can do that, and then you're good to go. All right, so I just create here. And now it brings up all these things: ads, analytics, cloud build, cloud diagnostics, collaborate, in-app purchasing, multiplayer. So the one we want is collaborate. Okay, so we're going to turn this on. Create together seamlessly. Yes, that's what I want to do. Okay, and basically, that's it. It's already going to start preparing it for collaborate. And if we go back to the Unity Collaborate web page, we should be able to find my project under my profile. So what's weird about this, though, is that supposedly, this is what we just did, turn on Collaborate, okay? And we're going to skip this cloud build part. Cloud build, sorry, we can't do that. It talks about inviting your team members to collaborate. So I did not find a great place to do this, actually. But if you go here, yeah, enable these cloud services, right? Oh, it might have opened in my. Well, anyway, we'll go up here. If we go to, actually, here, yeah, let me go back. So where I am now is actually in it's almost like I got here through like my profile in Unity Connect. You can also do this by just going to developer.cloud.unity3d.com/projects, and then you sign in up here, okay, under your name, and then it should list all the projects that you have worked on, okay, underneath this Unity profile, I guess. So notice here, prototype 4 is the one that I just created. So if I go to view prototype 4, it's going to go through all of this stuff. And again, none of that stuff is useful except for collaborate. Go to collaborate. And here, right, this sounds very GitHub-ish, right? Initial commit. I did this 2 minutes ago. And then if I want, I can download. What I'll end up downloading is basically my entire project. If you notice over here, it has packages, project settings. I click on packages. It has the JSON file. And then if I go back, this is all the different assets and things that I have. Okay. Let's see. Now, in inviting other people to work with you, this is where I'll have to see. Hold on a minute. So if you go to settings right here, and then normally it'll start on general, and it'll have, general things like renaming and transferring it to a different organization. The users part is where, and what I'm wondering actually is if you will be able to do this because your considered access level is less than what I have. Oh, probably not. You cannot edit user roles. Okay, what I might do then is change all of you guys to managers so that you can actually add roles. Or if you want, you can just tell me, but it might be easier actually if you tell me your project and who's in your project group, then I can just add each of you guys to the correct projects once you guys upload them. But this is where you would do it basically. Okay, add a person to group, just type in whoever's name basically is on here. All right. And I should have everybody's name here. Okay, and that's about it. And then once you do that, again, when you want to download a new version of your projects, then you will go, oh, maybe it was back there. You will go, once you get all this set up, you'll go into your project that you made. Okay. Go to collaborate. And then you'll be able to do this download file history. Okay. And then you can download all the assets that you have. I don't know if there's more that they have you download, but you can see lots of different things too. What initial things, or what things have been done, when they were done, and then the assets, storage. We don't have cloud storage, so you're just, basically it's done where you first saved it. All right, and then all this other stuff is some useful things that you guys should know. Okay, accelerator though and support I don't think we really need right now. All right, so that's it. Please, again, if you're working in a group, try out Unity Collaborate because it should be much more helpful than just like literally zipping your whole projects and sending them to each other over email or Google Drive or something like that. Okay, so try out Unity Collaborate. It should make things easier for you. And let me know if you have questions. Okay, if that's it, then I will see you guys next week. Bye.